What's going on? It's your girl Zazelle. Welcome to my channel. Today we're just gonna record this makeup look and I hope you guys enjoy. So right here I'm just outlining the natural shape of my brow with a dark brown brow pencil. In this step, I'm just shading in my eyebrows with a lighter brown brow pencil, just so the eyebrow could have a more natural look and it's not too dark. So right here, I just brushing out the brow to make sure everything is seamless, and then I'm gonna go in and clean up my brows with a concealer that's close to my complexion, just so when I put on my foundation it'll blend in nicely. So right here I'm just cleaning up the bottom half of my eyebrow with a lighter color concealer, so when I put on my eyeshadow the colors are gonna pop. So right here I'm just basing my entire eyelid with the my entire eyelid with the same color concealer. You want them colors to pop, okay? And then I'm just blending it out right here just to make sure everything is seamless. We don't need no harsh lines. Right here I going in with this blue color from my Morphe 35B palette, and I just gonna pack this on and blend it right in from the outer crease into my inner crease. And Morphe, don't kill me, I don't know how you pronounce it. Right here I going in with a green shade from the same palette, and I'm just going to blend this right above that blue shade closer to my brow bone. So right here I just went in with a different blending brush, and to me this did a better job than the initial one did, and so that's why you saw me shaking my head like that, like this is the one. Right here I'm going in with a dark purple eyeshadow, just strictly focusing on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going in with the same concealer that I primed my eye with to cut my crease. Right here I'm looking upwards to see where the concealer stops, so I could precisely see where to end the crease. Now I just going in with this light pink and I'm packing it onto the outer part of the cut crease. Right here I'm going in with a lighter pink and I'm just packing it onto the inner part of the cut crease. right here, I'm going in with this shimmery pink, and I'm just going to pack that into my waterline just to give a more flashy look. So right here, I just went back in with that dark purple just to deepen the outer crease a little bit more to give it a more in-depth cat eye, smoky eye look. So this is my favorite part, where you go in with the black eyeliner, because I just feel like this is the finishing touch and it just blends everything so nicely. So right here, I'm just going to try create an angel wing, meaning I'm not going to come all the way out with the wing. I'm just going to let it blend nicely into that dark purple, basically like it's going to fade in. Right here, I'm going in with some black eyeshadow, so you won't be able to tell exactly where I ended that eyeliner, and everything will just look seamless, no harsh lines, and it'll just look all blended and fierce, honey. Okay, y'all, so this is my favorite part. I'm pretty satisfied with how my eyes look. They look better when these lashes are on though. So these are the lashes from my lash line, Koinonia by Zazelle, and today I'll be wearing Sovereign Girl. I don't know if you can see it, like ain't focusing now well. It's like between dramatic and moderate, so it's somewhat in the middle. So I just wanted to introduce that. I'm so happy. This is the lash box. I'm gonna add like social media back here and like a scripture, but yes, this is from my lash line, and these cost $13. These are 3D minks, 100% mink lashes. So let me put them on so y'all could see. Right now, I just coated my eyelids with some mascara so it could blend nicely with the lashes. So here I'm just blending my natural eyelashes with the falsies. Make sure everything looks just like one seamless lash. Right now I'm using this light shimmery bronzer on my brow bone to give my brow some depth. Also, if you like this video thus far, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Right here, I'm just priming my face with my Smashbox Minimize Pores Primer. Right now, I just blended in my foundation with a Real Technique sponge, and this time I'm actually using it dry, just because with this particular foundation, I feel like I get fuller coverage with the sponge being dry. So right here, I'm just going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer, and I'm placing it under my eyes, in my T-zone, and on my chin. So tell me something, is it just me, or blending out your concealer is like therapeutic? I love blending out my concealer, my son. Oh my gosh. Comment below if you love this step too. So to contour, I'm actually using L'Oreal True Match foundation in the color Espresso C10, which I think is a little too dark for me, but we're gonna blend this thing out right. Oh, I'm using a small stipple brush to blend, by the way. Now we're going to set this concealer with Airspun setting powder. We're getting to the finish line, y'all. This is what this means. We're getting there. Now we're going to go over the contour with this brown bronzer powder. Now we're just going in with some blush, and I'm just going to put this on my cheeks. Right here, I'm just lining my waterline with NYX Eyeliner Pencil. This step, I'm going back in with the Airspun setting powder, and I'm just going to sharpen that contour line. This is a step that's going to make you look like a movie star, honey. So yes, honey, come through. So I'm going in with this highlighter by the Crayon case in AnGlowla, and I'm just going to highlight the bridge of my nose. Listen, this highlighter will make you feel like, period. Right here, I'm going back in that same Morphe palette, and I'm going to use that same green eyeshadow that we used earlier, and I'm just going to put it on my bottom lash line. I'm just using some mascara to coat, I'm saying quote, to coat my bottom lashes. Oh Lord, help me. I'm coating my bottom lashes with some mascara, y'all. And right here, I'm just putting on some pink lip liner and then some lipstick. Well, this is it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.